In this video, we'll cover product execution question. So not every day in the PM life is building strategy or writing PRDs. Often you have to do the nut and bolt aspect of the PM role. That is, work with a cross-functional team, make a micro decision, or there is an outage and you have to reach it to the bottom of it. The product execution question tests how good you are at this aspect of the PM role. Some examples include, let's say you are part of a team that owns the mobile app and the crashes number has increased by 20%. How do you figure out what has happened? What next step will you take? Let's say there is a new customer, very large, and they have requested a feature that is not part of your backlog. How do you respond to this situation? There is a conflict in your team on one feature that has not made it. Should you launch the product without this feature or wait for some time for this feature to be completed? So these are some examples of product execution question. Now, what are the things the interviewers are looking at when they're asking product execution question? So there are four main skills. The first one is problem diagnosis. How good you are at structurally reaching to the bottom of a problem. Do you break down the problem, approach methodically, or do you jump around and make guesswork? The second thing is communication. As a part of execution, we have to work with different teams. So how good you are at presenting your ideas. The third skill is critical thinking. Often as a part of execution, you'll be given multiple evidences, multiple point of views. How do you reach to conclusion, make sense of all the arguments? And the fourth one here is analyzing the data. Can you make sense of the quantitative numbers that is presented to you? So these are the main four things that interviewers look at. So one tip that I have for you in order to improve is to get a hands-on practice. So whether you are in a PM role today or not, there are scenarios where you can get in to get this hands-on experience. For example, if in your team there is a sudden outage or emergency scenario, see how your engineering team or your cross-functional team approaches this. How do they reach to bottom of it? What actions do they take? Similarly, if there is a controversial decision or a decision which involves a lot of analysis, analyze what has happened, what are the different trade-offs, and how did the decision maker reach to the bottom of it. This will be pretty helpful in answering your next product execution question.